back to my channel. It's Jada. As y'all can tell, got my stocking cap on, so y'all already know what type of video it's gonna be. So today I'm gonna be featuring the company Dolago. They reached out to me and sent me this beautiful wig. Y'all see I got my wig cap on, edges already slicked back, so I'm about to really just jump into this video. I'm gonna give y'all the rundown on this hair. I'm gonna give y'all the details and how I feel about this hair first. Then I'm gonna go into me installing it. This is the packaging that it came in. It came in this little blue box. It's pretty standard. Inside it just had the wig inside. Nothing major about this box. I think I worked with this company before. I want to say 2 times. I think. I hope it was 2 times. I think it was 2 times I worked with them before. But it always come in this little packaging right here. I think I got a clip of me opening it and all that. If I do, I'm gonna put it like right here somewhere. So I'm gonna give y'all the details about this wig. I don't remember it because I've had this wig since September 19th, I believe. So I had this wig for a long time, but I got the details right here on my phone, so I'm gonna just let y'all know and stuff like that. So hey guys, this wig is 16 inches. The texture is body wave, but just being honest, when you wash it and let it air dry, I let mine air dry for like 5 days. Y'all, when I tell y'all the texture is so cute, like it's like a wavy texture. It looks like water wave, but it's so pretty. Like y'all know how some hair like don't come with a texture when you wash it, just be straight. Well, this wig actually gets wavy like when you wet it and let it sit out. So I love that about that wig, because if I wanted to switch it up and just wear it wavy, I could, you know what I'm saying? So that's a good thing about this wig. It says it came natural black color. Honestly, I think it came brown to me. So I had went ahead and dyed it with my Revlon permanent dye, and it's jet black. So to me, it just looked kind of brown. It really didn't look black. So the lace on this wig came a medium brown color, so you really don't have to bleach your knots, and also you really don't have to pluck it because it already comes pre-plucked. But me, y'all already know, I say this in all my videos, I am extra. I'm gonna keep plucking until I just feel like it's just perfect. So I did go ahead and pluck mine, and I bleached my knots as well, and of course I dyed it. So I really did the whole 9 yards to the wig and all that. I really didn't have a problem with this unit. It's really it's good to me. I really didn't have a problem with it, but I want to say the 250 density is really big. So if you don't like thick wigs, y'all need to stay on the 150 or 130, something like that. Don't go to the 250 because it's really thick. Guys, I went ahead and cut my lace off camera, and this is how it looks. I know it look kind of crazy. Y'all really can't see it, but this wig is so thick. And this is how the inside of the cap looked. As y'all can tell, I did get black dye kind of on my lace part. But I'm going to be going in with my Ruby Kisses 3D face creator, and I'm going to be putting that all over the lace because the lace is kind of like a tad bit off. So I'm going to be going in and putting that in. And this is how it looks. I show this in all my videos. I got it in the level 15. And I'm going to be taking a little flat brush that I got. I don't even know where I got it from. And I'm going to be using this lighter shade to go in with my to go into my lace. And y'all, don't use this color if you're not like that color. I just use this color because it matched my skin really good, and that's what I've been using for a while. So that's how I got to that shade. But I see a lot of YouTubers be using level 15, but just use your shade. Don't use nobody else's shade. And I'm just going to go in and slowly pat this into the lace. I do want to mention, you really don't have to use a lot of this because this product comes off so easily. So don't use a lot of it. I don't know why, but this wig is giving me kinky straight vibes. Like, the texture just looks so kinky. I don't know. Maybe because it's the density of the wig. The density is so it's so heavy, but the hair looks kinky straight. And all I did was flat iron it, and I put my what is this oil? I put my Being Sexy Rust with Organ Oil on my hair. That's why it looks really shiny. But that's all I did to it. And I did my baby hair, of course. I do my baby hairs with the Got To Be glue and the black tube. And I'm kind of, you know, I'm feeling this final look. It looks real good. It looks like my natural hair. Like, that's what it looks like. It's giving me natural hair vibes, but it does look kinky. So yeah, I don't have anything bad to say about this hair company. I do want to mention this hair does shed just a little bit, like when I'm trying to like detangle it and stuff like that. It does kind of shed a little bit, so y'all be cautious of that. It don't really shed a lot, you know. It's just like our regular human hair is gonna shed, but for the most part, I like the hair. I don't have any problems with it. Everything was good. All the details in the link below. Well, not the link, but the description box below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Comment down below if you have any questions or concerns. Follow me on all my social media and turn on my post notifications so y'all will be alerted when I upload. And I will catch y'all in my next video.